Okay, this week we are learning 2 new sight words, and these are the very last sight words we'll learn for the rest of the year. So our words this week are did and what. Did, spell it with me, D-I-D, did. One more time, D-I-D, did. This one follows the rules, so it's easy. All right, let's go ahead and trace it with our marker. D-I-D. Ooh, bad tracing job. All right, and then we're going to write it in the box. D-I-D. Did. Our other sight word is what. What. W-H-A-T. What. W is a little bit like R in that it makes the vowels have strange sounds. So this one doesn't follow the rules. If it followed the rules, it would be at. It would be wat, but it's not wat. It's what. What. W-H-A-T. What. W-H-A-T. What. These are our sight words for this week. Did and what. Finish your worksheet and then you're all done.